Hey, the winter. Hey, the zipper broke on my winter coat, and now I'm gonna fix my coat. Here's how I did it. Old LL Bean coat, and the zipper is all coming apart and jammed up. And this coat didn't have any snaps. It just had this old Velcro stuff here, which didn't really do anything. So I'm adding some snaps, as you can see here, and they look pretty good. And here's how I'm doing it. I bought this snap kit, heavy duty snaps, and they've got these pieces here. There's 4 different kinds of pieces. There's the cap, which you can get in black or bronze or whatever. There's several options. So we got that part, and we got this piece that goes inside of this, and then we've got this piece here, which is a little different, and then I'll show you how they work in a second. And then we got this piece here. Okay, first of all, there's 7 snaps in this kit. 7, so I'm going to use them all. So I taking a measuring tape, and I'm going to measure my coat and figure out where these snaps go. Now I've already put in one at the top here, this one, and a couple here in the middle. What I did is I measured. Figured that they were going to take 24 inches. So I measured to the top one where I wanted to have the top one up here. Okay, and then I've got 24 inches. If there's 7 of them, that means there's going to be 6 spaces between these snaps. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So we're going to put them every 4 inches. So I measured 4 inches down. You can see a little red mark there I made. I made that with a pastel pencil I had, some kind of chalk or something like that. Pastel worked, pastel pencil. So I made a mark right here like this. And I did that every 4 inches. And that's where I know where the snaps are going to be. And then next, I needed to punch a hole where the snaps are going to be. And I used this, my electric probe for my car, because it's pointy. You can use an ice pick or some other device to punch holes in the fabric. All right, so we're going to do the next one. Get everything lined up so you're going to have the snap in the right place. Okay, and here's my mark for my next snap. So I punched the hole through there where I wanted it to be. Push it through the other side. And then I'm going to put another hole in the bottom piece, right where it's below the top one. Okay, and back, and then here's the one in the front. Now here comes the fun part. These holes a little larger, so I'm taking this punch here that I use for carpentry and working on my car and stuff, and I'm going to use it to enlarge these holes like this. And you can see I pushed this through here to make the hole bigger. Alright, now the next step, we're going to take the outside button part like this, and we're going to stick it through that hole. Okay, now getting that to come through the back side is kind of a problem, so we're going to cut a little piece of fabric away so we can get that through. Alright, we got that through, as you can see, and now we do the next part. We take this piece, it's like this. Okay, and then we lay that over top like this. Okay, we put that on there, and now we're going to hammer that thing with this little device that came with the kit. Okay, we're going to put this pointy end down onto this, and then we'll put something behind it, and we're going to hammer it with a heavy hammer. I use this pretty heavy hammer. It makes it a lot easier if it's got some weight to it, but I think you can use a regular hammer if you want. We got that all set up here. I've got a block of wood under it, and now we're going to hammer it. This piece on like that. Good wax with the hammer, and now, as you can see, it's all flattened out onto there and nice and tight. So that's one snap on the outside. Now we'll do the inside. The inside is comprised of two pieces. You've got this piece here, which is like the front. It's got a male piece that sticks up, although it doesn't have the button. And then we've got this piece, which will lay down into this piece like that. So first we need to push this one through. Push this one through from the back side. Alright, after some cursing and swearing and stuff, I got that through there. Yeah, now we put on the outer piece right here, and this goes on here like this. Oops. Like that. And now we're going to hammer that thing. Alright, we whacked it. And now it's all smashed in there, and it's on there very tight, as you can see. And now we test it out. We take this one we put on the front here, and now we can snap it. There we go. We got a snap. So as you can see, looking mighty fine here. We got some snaps. We're going to put another one down there. We're going to put another one here and here. We'll have snaps all the way up and down the coat. We won't need that old zipper. I may have it replaced later anyway, but I prefer the snaps. It's easier to get in and out of the coat. That's how you fix your coat.